up under this tarp over here. Is Sissy under there too?
No. It's good for me to hide it.
Yeah, that's like a big club, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna set up a little snack board over here for lunch. Yeah, you like the snack board?
This is my second house.
Oh, this is?
Yeah.
What's your first house?
This big one right here.
Your club?
Yeah. It's actually a big club.
Mm-hmm.
Want to come in it? It has all different rooms and it's big. Oh, can I have some pieces of cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
You're welcome. You go ask Cece if she's finished with her seat work.
Okay.
We're gonna put some cheddar. That's just regular cheddar and some smoked cheddar.
Thank you. This is good.
Tyler, I'm making this snack tray right here, but I also have Hot Pockets and some of those little pizzas too. You want the key lime or the cherry cheesecake?
The cherry.
The white one?
No, the cherry cheese yum. Yum?
Mm-hmm, it's key lime.
Is it yummy or not?
Okay, y'all, we decided to go with brown for the trim instead of the blue. Tyler's working on the windows over here. I'm gonna be trimming this door. Titus is doing the boards that we're gonna put up there. We're not gonna have the green down here anymore either. It's gonna be natural.
This right here is gonna be natural.
Like what's up there.
countertops. I'm gonna make them, but they're
Yeah.
gonna be real.
Yeah, because he can make them for really cheap. And it's gonna be for like what's up there on that, in the triangle,
Yeah,
natural?
kinda.
Okay.
But not out of one bags, it'll be out of like sawmill 2 bags.
Mama, do you know Nanny has 2 doors? This one opens and this one opens.
Yeah,
Two,
she does.
two,
She
two.
has the house door and the screen door.
Yeah, you too, Daddy.
Love you, buddy.
This is fun. We'll always remember this as the year that we decided to paint the house at Christmas time. We just didn't like that blue with it. It looked like that needed to be your room color. You want us to paint your room blue? We still got some.
Yeah, I do
we still
like
have
my
plenty.
room blue.
Okay, yeah, we'll give you a blue room. How about that?
Okay, I will like blue.
Yeah.
There's no green paint around here.
Say paint.
Paint.
There you go. A lot of times he was saying paint. Say it one more time.
Paint.
Good. That's good.
Paint.
Paint. You can really hear that country coming out of you in that word. Say it again.
Paint. But you try to say it like this. Paint.
Paint. We're all gonna be painters before this is done. Okay, y'all, it is now just a little bit after 4 o'clock. I brought the coffee maker over here since we had to unplug everything over at the hot cocoa coffee station. So here's where we are now. I was working on this trim around the bookshelf area. We got that done. Well, this is just the first coat on the trim. It still needs the second coat. We got this trim done over here. So I got this area all cleaned up, ready for me to cook supper over here. And if you look over here, it just looks like normal. But when you turn around, it's crazy. Have y'all ever been to somebody's house?
We got our couch 20 foot this away, and she's sitting around like, you know, have you ever been places where they don't put their couch up against their window? And I'm like, oh, you thinking about doing, you thinking about just pulling the tarps off?
Have you? I mean, for real, they have it where you can actually walk between the couch and the window. Manly's in his blue club, Daddy. That's a nice club. Yeah, I definitely couldn't have fit in there. He wanted me to come in here earlier. Nope, that wasn't happening. So for supper tonight, we're having the cheeseburger pasta. I was gonna make the rotisserie chicken slow cooker chicken noodle soup, but I'm not really in the mood for soup. And then I was gonna make the barbecue pulled pork, but I didn't start it in time. I could have made it in the Instant Pot, but my Instant Pot has leftovers in it. So cheeseburger pasta it is. The kids told me during school today that's what they wanted anyway, was cheeseburger pasta. So the good thing about this one too is it's one pot, so it won't make a big mess in here. Like it matters, actually, at the moment. This is a little more than 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'm making more than the recipe called for, but I'll put the original recipe down below for y'all. I have about a pound left over here. We'll save this for Big Mac snack wraps for lunch tomorrow.
Yay!
Excitement fills the air. We're gonna chop up this onion, mince this garlic. It's gonna go in there with the ground beef with a little bit of salt and pepper. Last night we didn't cook. It was a lot more, there was a lot more action happening in here yesterday. Today it's more organized. It's organized chaos today. So yeah, I didn't cook supper. I sent Jake uptown and he got some Zaxby's and brought it back. They're still not done outside either. Well, are y'all done painting outside, Tyler? Okay, so they're almost done painting. The rest out there, they're just, Titus has a few places he put some cedar shingles. The house got Christmas presents. Yeah, it got some new paint. Merry Christmas, house. Okay, what else are we gonna need? Oh, let me mince my garlic. I put some of Manly's old clothes on him too, because even though he's not painting, he comes in and out of here quite often. And yesterday, thankfully, he didn't have on one of his new shirts either. He had on an older shirt, but he leaned up against the wall, and so his entire back then was covered in paint. All right, beef broth. We need to get ketchup, Worcestershire sauce. Oh, we forgot to put the salt and pepper in there. Cece, you want to add some salt and pepper? All right, y'all, we got it drained. We put in some ketchup and some Worcestershire sauce. Now we'll add the beef broth and then the pasta. And then it's gonna cook for about 20 minutes before we add the cheese and we add a little bit of milk. And I think that's it, yeah. We're ready to put in the milk and the cheese. This is shredded sharp cheddar. And we just cook this now until the cheese is all melted and mixed in. All right, y'all, it's time for another Prancer giveaway. This time, he's giving away an iced coffee maker. Or, if you don't like iced coffee, we understand. You can choose a $25 Walmart gift card instead. We have a fun way to enter this time. You gotta answer a trivia question. This question is, who told Charlie Brown what Christmas was all about in the Charlie Brown Christmas special? Leave us the answer down below, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. This is another quick one. You only have 24 hours to enter. Okay, y'all, we got the kitchen clean. Here's what was left of the cheeseburger pasta. All the kids loved it. Did you like the cheeseburger pasta?
Yeah, good.
I can't talk. You liked it?
Yeah.
Would you want it again?
Yeah.
Okay, Titus and the kids really liked it. I liked it okay. Like, I wouldn't probably choose to make this again. But Jonah and Cece especially really loved it. They're already calling the leftovers for lunch tomorrow. So, it's a kid winner for sure. There was nothing terrible about it. It just wasn't my favorite thing that I've made in a while, but yeah, everybody else loved it. I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff set up for breakfast in the morning. I'm gonna need a few gingerbread men. I'm trying to decide, I think these, let me just see. And I'm gonna need some oats. And we'll need the brown sugar. This is gonna be one of the fun Christmas breakfasts that I was talking about in the grocery haul. I think I'm gonna do a little cinnamon too, but yeah, let's decide which one of these cookies we want to use. Now, the cookies are just a fun little topping that is gonna go with one of the breakfasts. Oh yeah, definitely, well, I don't know. These might work. I think actually these might work better. We're gonna be seeing the back of them. Yeah, I think these will work better than these, but both will work. But yeah, we'll go with the archway. He's yummy too. We've got another new one tonight, The Magic of a Small Town Christmas. Nestled under smoky hills with skies crystal and clear, sits my town of Heartbeat Falls, a place I love so dear. There's Mr. Richard's tree farm with the piney scented air. He grows every tree from seedlings with tenderness and care. At Sherry's, the town bakery, there's gingerbread galore. Ooh, I would like to go to Sherry's, wouldn't you? While candy canes and garlands decorate Heartbeat's own toy store. Bright lights adorn the houses, festive wreaths hang on the doors.
Hang on the doors?
Yeah, this is a pretty town, huh?
Would you like to go there?
Yeah.
And jump inside the book?
Yeah. And over at the skating pond, they're passing out the s'mores. Candles flicker in the windows of the church that's all aglow as the stars watch over Heartbeat, joyful beacons in the
Wait,
snow.
is that bird and a star?
Neighbors share a meal together. Look, there's Sherry and Mr. Richard from the tree farm. For the beauty of a small town isn't based upon its size. It's the love shared by its people, shining brightly in their eyes.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer.